Get him. A good one.
Big boy.
Yeah, he's coming at us. He's holy shnikes, that's a good one. Oh my God, that's a fish, dude. Oh my God. Hi guys, welcome to another episode All Over the Lake. Make sure to like and subscribe. Today, me and Quincy are heading out to a private farm pond. I hope it turns out to be a good video. So I hope you guys like it. I want to thank all you guys for watching my videos and subscribing. I just broke 400 subscribers. It's awesome. Oh, there's Quincy right there. Like, hey man, you ready? Are you awake? What's up, man?
Hey, man. Did you get the chance to spray out that boat?
No, I didn't, man. I mean, I went right to bed, dude.
I had a whole dream about them damn spiders last
Oh
night.
no! If I'd have known it was that big a deal to you, he was gonna have nightmares, I would have made sure to clean it out. We can, if you want, we can pull it out and I can spray it out when you get here. If you want to help me drag it out.
No, it ain't that big a deal. It'll be alright. Well, you got them big old spider webs on the back, so I don't know.
I don't care, man. I'll knock them off of my hand and fish, man. It's nothing to me.
Oh my God, that's gross. Alright.
All right.
I'll be there in a minute.
All right, later.
Later.
Oh damn! Quincy had nightmares about spiders all over the boat, dude. That's funny. Like I was saying, guys, I'm hoping to get monetized, and I appreciate you guys watching my videos. Tell all your friends and everybody, yeah, check out Matt. He's amazing. His videos are awesome. He catches 9-inch crappie and 1-pound bass. You gotta watch it. So, man, I hope it's a great video today. Thanks a lot, guys. So, anyways, sit back, relax, enjoy, and get ready for some good times. Alright guys, we finally made it. Hopefully I can get me a real bass today. It looks beautiful out here.
There's one.
Oh, you get him? That's a good bass. That's a nice bass. Oh man, I want a bass. I knew here it goes, man. Quincy's about to turn it on. Oh man, he's about to be catching fish left and right. Just every cast, man. 4 or 5 pound bass. Oh snap, did I get him? Oh, come on, fishy.
I ran into each other.
Oh shoot, you got one on there too? There we go, guys. I finally did it. I finally got me a fish.
We just doubled it up. That's a nice one.
Oh man.
Matt on a whopper popper, me on the crawl. 2 pound-and-a-halfers.
Got here. Look at that, guys. I finally got me a fish. I'm bona fide. Let's see what you got. Is it about the same? Are they twins?
They're about twins.
They're twins. Look at that, guys. Oh, you done?
You know what that is?
176. All right. Thanks for the good times, buddy. I want that same video, only instead of Quincy saying, oh my God, I've never seen a crappie this big before. I want him to say, oh my God, I've never seen a bass this big before. Oh, snap. Ooh-wee. Where's your big brother at, man? Huh? All right, there you go, feller. Thanks for the good times.
big fish. That sounds like a big fish. It swam right at you.
Whoa! Jeez.
God, it almost knocked his wood pole.
Oh.
Gotta sit down, dude.
Yeah, man, you keep standing up in this little boat. It's not stand up worthy, really. Woo, I thought you would.
And a $300 rod. That would have been ugly. No more standing up for me.
That was some excitement. I'm catching fish. Quincy's trying to drown us. Calm down, buddy. I don't know what I'm doing different than you, where I can sit down and fish.
You just reeling. I gotta pop it.
1.76. Let me get a picture of this guy. Quincy scared me to death, man. Oh my goodness.
It's a good video, though. I've been fucking hell of a time. Oh,
Alright, see you, fella.
it just blew up on me, just whirling about.
Get him. A good one?
Oh, you pulling drag. Don't get me in them trees. He got me in the tree. You come. Here, can you back up and see him? He a big boy.
Yeah, he's coming at us. He's holy shnikes, that's a good one. Oh my God, that's a fish, dude. Oh my God.
Don't you
Get him.
for me.
Get him up.
Oh, man. Don't
Oh, I was gonna grab him by his lip. Oh my God, dude, I'm so sorry. I should have had the netting ready, man. I was trying to hold him up so I could get him by his... Dude, that was... Oh my God, dude, I'm so sorry, dude. I was trying to just get the string, hold his face straight, man.
That was a 5.
I'm sorry, dude. Man, I feel bad, dude. I'm so sorry, dude. I just didn't want you to lose him. I should have...
That was 5?
Oh, dude, definitely, dude. It might have been a 6-pound. I don't know, dude. I haven't seen a bass like that in years. I don't bass fish. That was the nicest bass I've seen in a decade, dude. I feel terrible, dude. Maybe fate is trying to make you leave him alone till you finally land him in a couple of years and he's like a 10-pound bass. And he's still got that hook in his mouth. And he's like, you. And you're like, you. You get one? Oh man, he's a...
If I can get him in the boat.
You want me to net him up? Oh, damn, net's all caught up in the thing. You got him though.
That's 10 fishing. That's one, guys. Fishing, what do you call it? 10 fish an hour. We got one up on the boat. Let's get him back in there and let's go for another one.
Oh yeah, you can feel the wind blowing. It feel like in like any minute now it could just be coming down, dude. Yeah, the wind switched directions and everything too. Did you see that? Now it's blowing us. Looks different, like the front's moving in. Truck and try for some basses again. Is that asking for too much, do you think? Oh, yeah. There he is. 12-pounder. Oh, there he is. Oh, okay. See, I had the net ready that time. As soon as you said it was a big fish.
That's what we needed. Oh my God! Look at that fish. Let's get it, man. Now I'm Gucci.